Have you ever noticed how time seems to move faster once we hit 50? One day we're powering through our routines, and the next, simple things like bending, lifting, or getting out of a chair start to feel heavier than they should. But here's the truth. Strength doesn't vanish with age, it fades because we stop challenging it. And that's something we can change, starting today. No matter your age, your body still listens to effort. Every muscle fiber, every joint, every heartbeat responds when you decide to move with purpose. You don't need complicated workouts or gym memberships to stay strong. What you need are a few smart, powerful moves that rebuild stability, mobility, and balance, the three pillars of lasting strength. Start with the bird dog. It looks simple, but this move reconnects your mind and core, training your body to move as one solid, stable unit. It strengthens your lower back, tightens your abs, and improves coordination. Do it consistently, and you'll feel your balance return, not just in the gym, but in everyday life. Then comes the warrior pose. It's not just a stretch, it's control, focus, and power flowing through every muscle. This move opens your hips, strengthens your legs, and teaches you to hold your ground with confidence. Because real strength isn't only in your muscles, it's in your posture, your breathing, and your presence. Next, the Superman hold, the move that builds your foundation. By lifting your arms and legs off the ground, you ignite your back, glutes, and shoulders, all the muscles that keep you upright and pain-free. It reminds your body how to stay tall, proud, and capable. Now imagine pressing your back against a wall and lowering into a wall squat. Your legs start to shake, your muscles burn, but that's your body rebuilding its power. This one movement strengthens your thighs, knees, and core, the engine that keeps you walking, climbing, and living freely. And finally, the side plank with arm raise, the ultimate move for total body balance. It challenges your obliques, shoulders, and hips to work together. Every second you hold it, you're teaching your body to stay firm under pressure. You don't need to chase the workouts of your younger years. You just need to master these few exercises, done consistently, with intention, to feel stronger, steadier, and more alive than you have in years. Because aging isn't a weakness. It's a reminder of how powerful you can still be when you refuse to slow down. So move with purpose, stand tall, reclaim your strength, and show yourself that 50, 60, even 70 isn't the end of your power. Strength after 50 isn't just about lifting weights, it's about lifting yourself. Every rep you do, every breath you take, rewires your body to move with freedom again. You begin to trust your balance, your coordination, your energy, the same things that once came naturally in your youth. And the best part? Your body still remembers how to be strong. It's just waiting for your signal to wake it up. With each session, you're not just exercising muscles, you're training resilience. You're teaching your body to stay independent, steady, and pain-free. The small things you do today, holding a pose, tightening your core, staying 1 second longer, all add up to a stronger tomorrow. And that's what this journey is about. Consistency, not intensity. Because true fitness after 50 isn't a sprint, it's a rhythm. You move, you breathe, you recover, and you grow. You start noticing the little victories, standing taller, walking longer, sleeping better, living lighter. The stairs don't feel so steep anymore. The mirror doesn't show age. It shows strength earned through persistence. Every time you show up, you're proving something powerful, that discipline beats time. You're rewriting the story that says aging means slowing down. You're replacing it with a new truth. Aging means mastering control, precision, and balance. That's real fitness, the kind that doesn't fade. And remember, your goal isn't perfection. It's progress. One more rep, one more second, one more reason to keep going. You don't need to move like an athlete. You just need to move like someone who refuses to quit. Because somewhere inside you, the same fire that pushed you through your toughest days still burns. The same determination that built your career, raised your family, and carried you through life. It's still there, waiting for you to use it again. So when you move, move with pride. When you push, push with purpose. And when you rest, rest knowing you've earned it. Strength doesn't belong to the young. It belongs to those who keep showing up. And you, right now, are proof that it's never too late to rebuild, to restart, and to rise stronger than ever. Every great transformation begins with a decision. Not tomorrow, not next week, but now. The moment you decide that age will no longer define what you can or cannot do, everything changes. Your body starts to respond. Your energy returns. Your confidence builds. Because strength isn't lost with time. It's reclaimed through action. Every movement, every stretch, every moment of effort is a message to yourself that you still have control, you still have power, you still have purpose. And the truth is, you don't need to be 20 again to feel alive. You just need to honor the body you have and train it to serve you. Not slow you down. The exercises you've learned aren't just physical movements. They're lessons in discipline, patience, and self-respect. They remind you that balance can be rebuilt, stability can be trained, and strength can always return. You're not chasing youth, you're building longevity, the kind of strength that lets you pick up your grandkids, travel the world, and wake up every morning ready to live fully. Because the real reward of staying fit after 50 isn't a six-pack. It is freedom. Freedom to move without pain. Freedom to live without fear. Freedom to do the things you love with the people who matter. That's what this journey gives you, your life back on your terms. So don't count the years. Count the moments you chose to fight back. Every time you showed up when it was easier to rest. Every time you finished the workout when quitting felt tempting. Those are the moments that define you. That's where real strength is built. Not in the gym, but in your mindset. And when someone asks your secret, smile and tell them, you just decided not to stop. Because you understood that age doesn't limit strength. Attitude does. And as long as you have that fire, that drive, that unshakable will to keep moving, you'll never truly grow old. So stand tall. Breathe deep. Move with purpose. This isn't the end of your strength. It's the beginning of your legacy.